Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So right now we gonna open this package because I order a microwave fuse for our microwave. That one over there, because it's not working. And when I look inside, the fuse was broken, so you have to put this fuse now. So let's see if it's gonna work after we put this fuse. Okay, I'll be right back.
Let's open the microwave now, guys. You have to take it out the screws. One is done. Yeah, plug the guys. It's already unplugged, Then we just gonna take out the screws. Like that. Two screws there. Oh no, no. Okay, and then I gotta show it to you guys. And then it's gonna be over there. You see it? This one over here. Yeah. So we have to take this too.
I know they have one screw here. Another one. Oops. Shucks. The fuse is over there. So we have to just a second. The fuse is over there, guys. We have to put the fuse there. So we have to take this the screw out. It's just one screw, so we have to take this out. Okay. And then take this out, and then we will put the fuse in here. So let's see. Okay guys, ito na yung fuse. So ilagay na natin. Ito siya. So dalawa siya, binili ko. I bought this in Amazon. So let's see. Perfect. Yan na siya, guys. Ewan ko nakikita niya. See it? So, yun na siya. So, yun na siya, guys. Ayan na yung bago nating fuse. Nilagay ko na siya. Ayan na. Ayan na siya. So, it's not really hard to put in. So, i-close na natin siya, guys. And then, i-try na natin siyang i-plug if it's gonna work. Okay? It worked, guys!
Lights up!
Woohoo! It works. Hey guys, it's working. Look at that. They have lights now, and I set the clock now. See it? Okay, yeah, that one. See? And then the band is working. See that? Okay. See? It's working. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. God bless. And then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Simply Rosie Bag. Bye-bye.